everywhere in the news. If you remember the name of Kuldeep Sengar, an expelled BJP leader convicted of kidnapping and raping a minor. Now what has happened? The Delhi High Court has suspended the jail term of Sengar, who was supposed to be serving a life sentence in 2017 Unnao rape case. The court granted him relief subject to strict conditions including movement restrictions and regular police reporting. He's been barred from entering a 5-kilometer radius of the survivor's residence or threatening her or her mother, warning that any violation would cancel the bail immediately. Now, Sengar's sentence has been suspended by the High Court till the pendency of his appeal, challenging his conviction and sentence in the rape case. Meanwhile, the survivor's mother has been devastated as far as by the decision of the Delhi High Court. Protesting near India Gate, she says that she fears for her family's security and that justice has not been delivered. Times Now spoke to the victim's mother in this case as the police had to remove the family as they were protesting at India Gate where they are not allowed.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने मेरी सुनवाई नहीं किया, उनको बेल दे दिया। मैम हाई कोर्ट ने बेल दे दिया है सर, तो हम बैठेंगे नहीं। मेरा पूरा परिवार खत्म कर दिया।
मैम आज जो दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट का फैसला आया है उस पर क्या कहेंगी?
मैम दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट के फैसला पे हम खुशी नहीं है मैम। एक विधायक को मेरी बेटी के साथ रेप की, वो विधायक को बेल मिल रही है मैम। हम खुशी नहीं है मैम। जब तक का हमका न्याय नहीं मिलेगा, जब तक का हम यहाँ पे उठेंगे नहीं मैम। ठीक है, मेरे पति को मार दिया, मेरे देवर को जेल में करा दिया, मेरी सिक्योरिटी, मेरे छोटे छोटे बच्चों की सिक्योरिटी भी हटा ली है। इनके वकीलों ने कहा कि मेरी सिक्योरिटी हटा दो इनके परिवार की। मेरे बच्चे छोटे छोटे मारे फिर रहे, मेरे बच्चों की सिक्योरिटी सीआरपीएफ की जवान की हटवा दिया है सर इनके वकीलों ने, यहाँ कह के सुप्रीम कोर्ट में। तो मैम जब तक का हमका न्याय नहीं मिलेगा, इनकी बेल खारिज नहीं होगी, जब तक का हम यहाँ पे नहीं जाएंगे, चाहे पुलिस वाले उठा के हमको जेल में डाल दे।
पर जो फैसला आज दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट ने लिया है मैम, उसको किस तरीके क्या बोलेंगे आप? दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट को क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
हाई कोर्ट ने जो किया ठीक किया, पर हमको सुप्रीम कोर्ट पर भरोसा है कि इनकी बेल कैंसिल करी जाएगी।
आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाएंगे?
हाँ सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाएंगे मैम। पर मैम जो हुआ मेरे साथ बहुत गलत हुआ। पुलिस होते हुए मेरे पति को पीट के बंदूकन के नालन से मार रहे हैं। मेरे पति को एक बार पुलिस वालों ने नहीं बचाया, मेरे पति दम तोड़ दिए मैम। मेरे पति 18 में खत्म हुए। हम अपने बच्चों के साथ संघर्ष कर रहे हैं मैम। अपने बच्चे लेके भटक रहे ऐसी वैसी। अभी हमको सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने न्याय नहीं दिया, उनको बेल दे दिया मैम।
तो आप लोग अब यहीं धरना प्रदर्शन करेंगे?
हाँ मैम यहीं रहेंगे, यहीं सोएंगे, यहीं पढ़ेंगे, यहीं बैठे रहेंगे मैम, जब तक हमका न्याय नहीं मिलेगा।
So this is the victim's mother who's clearly not happy with the Delhi High Court decision.
Now, as far as the court decided to suspend the sentence in the 2017 Unnao rape case, the victims, the families, they're coming out to saying that the decision has left them fearful and unsafe. Now, if you remember how in the 13th of December, several years ago, when the Nirbhaya rape had happened, the case entirely shook the country. Meanwhile, Nirbhaya's mother, Asha Devi, has slammed the court's bail order. She says that the court should have taken into cognizance as far as the gravity of the crime is concerned.
ये तो एक रूल नया बनाया जा रहा है, जैसे कि और जेल में है वो भी कहेंगे कि हमको फांसी की सजा हुई है तो उसको खत्म करके फिर सुनवाई की जाए। तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। पता न कौन से कोर्ट कहाँ से हो रहा है ऐसे, ये तो पहले बार ऐसा हो रहा है। तो 500 किलोमीटर दूर रहो या घर में रहो, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। फर्क ये पड़ता है कि आपने क्राइम किया है, आपको सजा मिली है। अपील करने का उनको हक है, या विक्टिम को भी हक है। तो कोर्ट को इस पे निष्पक्ष सुनवाई करनी चाहिए, विक्टिम को भी देखते हुए कि उसके साथ क्या हुआ है। बाकी बेल तो बिल्कुल नहीं होनी चाहिए। उस परिवार को अभी भी खतरा है।
Well, pictures that have been coming in, Kritika, while when it comes to the protesting family that were removed from the site there, There have been questions that have been raised on part of the family saying that they are fearful now that Sengar has his life term has now been suspended by the court. Meanwhile, does it mean as far as when it comes to this attack that is now coming in from the opposition side, they have been claiming that the government may have the poor prosecution or the weak prosecution by the government may have led to the bail procurement by Sengar?
Abhita, Kuldeep Sengar is the former MLA from Unnao. He was the MLA as well in 2017 when these allegations and when the incident came to light. So, of course, the opposition is going to be making these allegations. But as far as the victim is concerned, she's also made a series of concerns public. First of it being that the High Court in itself is going to be on and off for the winter months, and because of that to have this order being passed right now puts her in a very precarious situation as well. She's also spoken about how there has been a withdrawal of security for her relatives, for the CBI allotted eyewitness as well in the case, and which also pertains to the killing of her relatives as well, and that is also something that she is right now focusing the attention on. The larger, in fact, impact here, what the victim's mother as well as what Nirbhaya's mother has also spoken to the media about is how this has been a very heinous crime. There has been multiple murders also that the family has had to undergo. This is what the victim's mother was also saying, that she's lost half of her family, and even after such a crime, he spent some 6 years in jail to have to be receiving a bail on the surety of 15 lakhs of rupees with the condition of not being around 5 kilometers. That does not, as per the victim's
legally
family.
speaking, the case still continues, as far as the victim's family have been saying that they would want to take up the case further and appeal in the Supreme Court, and saying that the bail had caused severe distress to the family, claiming that the family continues to face threats. Thank you very much, Kritika, for that live update. We also talk about how the opposition has been now reacting as far as when it comes to this entire scenario that is now pointed out, especially when it comes to the family who continues to grieve for the people who have they lost during this legal fight.
निश्चित तौर पे ये बात बिल्कुल स्पष्ट है, और क्योंकि बीजेपी के आरएसएस के फूफा मामा लोग बहुत जगह बैठे हैं, ये फूफा होंगे कोई उनके रिश्तेदार होंगे जो उन्होंने उनको सब कुछ कर दिया। अब सबसे बड़ा सवाल ये है कि चाहे वो मीडिया हो या और भी जिम्मेदार लोग हों, वो इस मैटर को कितना हाईलाइट करते हैं। क्या रेपिस्टों को उनकी सजा, हत्यारों को उनकी सजा कोर्ट के द्वारा माफ होने पे कोई ट्रायल चलेगा? क्या ऐसे लोगों के खिलाफ कोई ट्रायल चलेगा? ये वही कुलदीप सेंगर हैं जिन्होंने मीडिया के लोगों को भी धता बताया था तब जब वो जुर्म कर चुके थे और अपराधी बन चुके थे।
All right, we'll continue getting you more developments there. Let's talk about this row that has erupted over a Jamia